My Meta ad account got disabled, so I commenced the process of getting it reviewed and resolved. Unfortunately, Meta responded saying the account will remain disabled. Decisions like this when taken by Meta are irreversible, but I wasn't going to give up on the account because the account has my client's funds in it. So I initiated a chat with a Facebook support team. He was very helpful, sent me a URL for appeal, and also sent me a custom template message for the appeal. The surprising thing was he sent me a gift, 25 USD. I have access to numerous ad accounts, so I redeemed this gift in an active ad account. At the time of redeeming this ad credit, 25 USD currently is equal to 18,927 naira 49 kobo. I was sad that my account got disabled because I had funds in it, but having a 25 USD ad credit gift that's worth more than the amount in my disabled account is quite exciting. I am lucky, and thanks to the Facebook support personnel who was kind enough to give me the 25 USD in compensation of my ad account that got disabled. Check the next video on my channel to see the process on how I redeemed my 25 USD ad credit gift. You can ask questions or make tutorial requests via the comment section. Do like and share these videos to make the algorithm help reach others that needs to see this. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming tutorial section. Thanks for watching. Bye for now and see you on the next one.